What is up, YouTube? Short video today. Mail haul. Not really much of a mail haul. Just one package. It is from World Impact Ministries in Escondido, California. I was hoping that it would be like White Horse Inn in Escondido, California, but I think they're in Escondido. And then at least it's where Mike Horton lives. They're not. It is some type of other type of ministry, kind of. Anyway, it is not from Michael Horton, so I'm pretty much not interested. It would have been much better if it was from Mike Horton. I would have been interested, but I'm not. And I probably should be interested, but I'm only not interested because it is from Escondido, California, and it's not Mike Horton. So I'm being a little biased, I guess. But I mean, it'd be better if it was from Phoenix, Arizona, but only if it was James White, because James White's the best anyway. So peace. Sub, rate, and comment below. Let me know what you think. We're having some of that beautiful Colorado weather, as you guys can see. 3 people died in Colorado last night due to flash floods, and we are set to be having flash floods all week. So all my subscribers out there and anybody watches this video, if you live within the Denver to Colorado Springs area, or Boulder, anywhere up this way, Greeley even, down to Colorado Springs, which is where I live, please be careful. As you can see, it's not very pretty out. So please be careful. Later. Deuces.